Everybody, this is the Wax Czar in Woodland Hills, California, breaking a box of 2013 Panini Elite football. 20 packs per box, 5 cards per pack, 4 hits per box. We got a box of Goodwin Champions coming up afterwards. First pack, we got a Mark Ingram, Andy Dalton, Jonathan Banks rookie, number 999. Like the look of these cards this year. Santonio Holmes, Trent Richardson. Jonathan Dwyer, Calvin Johnson Jr., Marquise Goodwin, turn of the century number to 199 rookie. Decoy, Antonio Gates, and a Matt Schaub. So how about that Ryan Braun, eh? Got a Rob Gronkowski, D'Angelo Williams, got a Troy Polamalu portraits. Kind of cool, you see right through it. Chris Johnson, Christian Ponder. Got a Jeremy Maclin, Peyton Manning, Vernon Davis, Fred Jackson, Matt Flynn. I like how you don't have to flip any of these around. Got a Maurice Jones-Drew, Matt Ryan, Jimmy Graham. Got a, these are cool, Pro Bowl standout DeMarcus Ware jersey, number 299. These are pretty tough. Got a Tony Romo and a Tamba Hali. Alright, just got one hit. Got Forte, Antonio Brown, got a Passing the Torch, Russell Wilson, Peyton Manning, cool little combo. Nice to have some ink on there. Torrey Smith and a Mark Sanchez. Next pack, Alfred Morris, Tom Brady, Steve Smith, Decoy, Josh Gordon, Phil Rivers. Alright, here we go. Here's something big. Hopefully Mike Vick, DeMarco Murray, nope. Ezekiel Ansah, rookie, number 999. Randall Cobb, Kenny Britt. 20 packs. Frank Gore, Vic Ballard, another rookie here. Looks like Stephon Taylor, number 799, number 797 out of 799. Got Mike Wallace, CJ Spiller. Yeah, looks like everything's kind of near the end here. Should be two autos. We got a Patrick Peterson, Drew Brees, Trent Richardson Zoning Commission, Bilal Powell, Josh Freeman. If somebody deserves a card, it's Bilal Powell. No offense, Bilal. Alright, next pack we got Brandon Marshall, Arian Foster, Hard Hats, Dennis Johnson Hard Hats, Auto, number to 199. We got a Texan there. Dwayne Bowe and a Joe Flacco. Pierre Garcon. Got Everyday Adrian, Cam Newton, Decoy, David Wilson, and a Brandon Whedon. Darren McFadden, Jason Witten, We got a die cut Steven Jackson, numbered 33/61. Nice looking card. Daryl Richardson, James Jones. Alright, Mike Crabtree, Reggie Wayne. Got a primary colors Wes Welker, Jake Locker, and a Brian Hartline. Alright, down to last 6 packs. Rashard Mendenhall, Danny Amendola. Got a hard hats, Jamar Taylor, number 299. Ray Rice and a Matt Stafford. Alright, something in the middle here. Ryan Matthews, Andre Johnson. Yep, another hard hat. We got 2 hard hats. Got a Tavares King. We got a hard hat hot pack. Tavares King. Philip Thomas. And a little printing plate. Oh, wow. We got a Tavon Austin 1/1 printing plate auto. That is pretty sweet. I like the 2 hard hats a little better, but this'll do. This'll do. Beautiful card. Congrats there. Got a Marshawn Lynch and Jamal Charles. They would put it in a hard hat hot pack. So there, anybody looking for hot packs out there, just get the hard hat hot pack. RG3, second year card. Greg Jennings, Steve Johnson, Decoy, Steven Jackson, and a Hakeem Nicks. So one more hit in here. Denarius Moore. I doubt he gets another hard hat. Des Bryant. Turn of the Century, Brandon Marshall, number 199. I like the look of the cards this year a lot. Ben Jarvis Green Ellis, the law firm. Chris Givens. All right, final 2. Very cool printing plate. All right, Colin Kaepernick, Andrew Luck, interesting pack. Fitzgerald, Rages, Doug Martin, Muscle Hamster. All right, final pack here. All right, Jake Cutler, LaShawn McCoy, Demarius Thomas. We got a New Breed Justin Hunter jumbo jersey, number 399, and Ryan Tannehill and a Ben Roethlisberger. It's just one more showing off that sweet printing plate Tavon Austin rookie auto. Congratulations. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Message me if you want anything broken.